I don't remember any. I just remember waking up in the hospital.
The last thing Brittany Preen does remember is talking to a friend on the phone at Country Thunder when this bolt of lightning struck. 12 News got this video from people trying to save Brittany.
Tie this around tight.
She tells me when she awoke in the hospital, the first person she asked for was her aunt, who died 2 years ago.
And it felt so real. She was holding me while I was in a coma and rubbing my head. I remember I didn't want to leave her. She said, it's time to go home. And I woke up to my dad and my mom.
She tells me weeks later she had a flashback, an out-of-body experience from when she was being treated on scene.
And I just kept hearing, stay with me, stay with me. And all of a sudden I zoned out and I can see myself laying in the back of a gator in my clothes, and I watched them shine lights in my eyes and cut my top off.
Doctors confirmed with her mother that is what happened. Today, Brittany has scars all over, cannot control part of her face, and is almost totally deaf. She goes to physical therapy 4 days a week and has to rely on her family, but doesn't take any of it for granted.
Seeing people walk around so miserable and like hating life and like angry or like upset and just miserable makes me so upset. You should be happy what you have, because one day you can get hit by lightning.
And Patrick Preen tells me that this is not going to stop her from returning to Country Thunder next summer. Her family is holding a fundraiser this Saturday in their hometown of Woodstock, Illinois.
A true story of survival. Caroline, thank you. And we do have all of that information on our website at WISN.com.